Hello, this is a video tour of 915 Dolores. This is the exterior of the building. It is very close to Dolores Park and to many wonderful shops, bakeries, and conveniences. Okay, so let's enter the building here. This has been recently renovated. Beautiful Victorian with very tall ceilings. Right as you walk in to the right is the front room. This has been used as either a converted third bedroom or this could be the living room. Beautiful bay window, decorative fireplace, amazing light fixtures. This is the view out the window here. This unit has wood floors throughout, pocket doors, and on the other side of the pocket doors is the first bedroom, located off the street. It's a spacious room. Here's a peek out the window and a good sized closet that goes all the way back here. Okay. Just outside this bedroom, there is an additional closet here. Down the hall just a little bit is the second bedroom. This one does have a closet here as well. This is the view out this window. You look out to a nice patio that belongs to the neighbor. Here would be either the living room or the formal dining room, depending if you converted the front room into a third bedroom or not. Here is the full bathroom. Tiled floors, nice bathtub and shower combination. You have views from the bathroom into the alleyway. Nice big medicine cabinet and sink. And here is the kitchen. Lovely eat-in kitchen with wood counters. You have stainless appliances. There's your dishwasher, gas range, microwave, and stainless refrigerator. And there's plenty of room to put a kitchen island or a small table. You also have private laundry machines. Fantastic feature with lots of storage space here. Okay, through this back door, you have access to the rear egress where there is one tandem parking spot. Okay, and that is included with this unit. Okay, if you are interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.